Alright. One of the final parts to my drilling a hole through this rock wall. There it is. Of course, I got off track here, but my dryer vent cover covers that, and I am going to fill that in. Of course, yeah, messed it up, but still, there is my hole. It's kind of ugly and all that, and then you can see my shiplap inside there. So I'll have to cut through that with a reciprocating saw, and then I will be hooking up my dryer. But of course, I used the rotary hammer drill from Dewalt to drill the holes. Drills right through this 4-inch thick rock. This house is all rock. Drilled right through it. But then this rock is so hard that a regular chisel was not going to cut it. Now this chisel, big sledgehammer, was not phasing it. It took this air chisel with just like a 1-inch chisel on it, Kobalt brand. Borrowed it from our friends. Works like a dream. We probably could have gotten the Dewalt chisel, but not out here in the sticks where we're at. So this was awesome though. This just chipped out all the pieces I wanted out and left this piece that I really didn't want it out. So yeah, because inside here, right behind this little piece, is a stud. It was only a little piece of a stud, but it was enough that it was not going to be good to try to put my hole through there. So I just had to move it over some. But like I said, thankfully my dryer vent will cover the majority of that hole and all those little mess ups. Thank you. Little dryer vent. But I guess that's going to be it till I put it in. Screw it in. Good luck. Hope you had better luck than me with not getting off track.